While everyone's distracted fighting over ChatGPT and Claude, something bigger just happened. China's about to drop an AI model in February that could flip the coding services market upside down. Nobody's talking about it yet. The tech blogs aren't covering it. Your competition doesn't know. I'm about to show you exactly how to position yourself before this hits, and why the next 30 days matter more than you think. Hey there. So if you're new here, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. DeepSeek is dropping their V4 model in mid-February 2026. This is a coding-focused AI designed to beat Claude and GPT at what developers need. It handles entire code bases, understands how files connect, and writes production-ready code. Most people will think it's just for software engineers. Wrong. This is how you build services businesses desperately need, even if you've never written code. You don't need a computer science degree. You need to understand business problems and know how to sell solutions. V4 builds on their V3 model, which matched GPT-4 performance at a fraction of the cost. V4 goes further with long context coding. This AI looks at thousands of lines across multiple files and understands how everything connects. It refactors code, finds bugs, builds features, and migrates projects between frameworks. Internal testing shows V4 beating current leaders on real-world coding benchmarks, actual software engineering tasks companies pay thousands to handle. Millions of businesses run on old code, legacy systems, outdated frameworks, code that barely works but nobody wants to touch. These companies need help and will pay serious money. Hiring developers is expensive. Good developers cost $80,000 to $200,000 yearly. Most small and medium businesses can't afford that, but they can afford $3,000 to $10,000 to solve a specific problem. With DeepSeek V4, you can potentially offer services previously only possible with expensive development teams, code audits, legacy refactoring, automated testing, bug fixing, API integration. You don't need to be a coder to sell these services. You understand business needs and position solutions. The AI does the technical work. You're the bridge. I used to work full-time as a mechanic. I wasn't coding. I recognized AI tools would change how businesses operate. I learned to position myself as someone who could deliver results. That's how I built my business, from turning wrenches to running an agency. Most people won't understand what V4 can do until it's mainstream. By then, the market's saturated. Right now, you can be first offering AI-powered development services. Position yourself as the expert before everyone catches on. DeepSeek V4 isn't trying to be everything. It's laser-focused on coding and reasoning. That specialization makes it great at specific tasks. That's what businesses pay for. Businesses want results. Checkout process fixed. Old PHP site migrated. Automated reports from 3 systems. Concrete deliverables with clear value. Most people try using new AI tools for everything. They position themselves as general AI consultants, then wonder why nobody pays them. The smart play is picking one service and owning it. Help local businesses migrate old websites. Specialize in automated testing setup. Offer code audits for security-worried businesses. Specialize and you charge more. You're known for solving one problem really well. Businesses trust specialists over generalists. Another mistake is waiting for the perfect setup. People think they need to master the tool first. Backwards. You learn by doing. Get your first client, deliver results, get better each project. Businesses care about outcomes. Can you fix their problem, save them time, or make them money? That's it. Concrete examples of services you could potentially offer. I'm not promising these will make you money. I'm showing possibilities. Code documentation. Companies have code without documentation. Developers leave. Knowledge gets lost. Use AI to analyze code bases and create documentation. Potentially $1,500 to $5,000. Legacy code translation. Businesses running old technologies that are hard to maintain. Converting COBOL to Python. Migrating jQuery to React. High-value projects. $5,000 to $20,000 per project. Automated testing setup. Companies ship code without tests because testing takes time. Analyze code bases and create test suites. $3,000 to $8,000 value. API integration consulting. Businesses want software tools to talk to each other. CRM to email, e-commerce to inventory. With a coding AI, potentially build integrations faster and cheaper than traditional shops. DeepSeek V4 uses sparse attention architecture. It processes way more code at once without slowing down or costing a fortune. V4 handles entire repositories. It understands how project parts connect, crucial for real development. Enhanced debugging, too. It traces through complex code, identifies problems, and suggests fixes that make sense in context. If you're finding this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe. The Real Nick reads every comment, so drop one below. If you're serious about building a real business with AI, grab my 4-part AI Fast Track training for free. I break down my favorite AI tools for making money and saving time. Plus, an exclusive link to try the best AI software I use to run my business for 30 days free. That software might surprise you compared to what we're talking about today. Link is in the description. DeepSeek targets mid-February 2026 for V4 release, around Lunar New Year. Multiple sources point to this window. You have about a month to prepare. Spend it identifying which businesses need coding help, research pain points, create outreach messages, build a prospect list. When V4 drops, you're ready. You're not scrambling. You know your target market. You know what problems you solve. You deliver. Companies that wait until everyone's talking, they compete with hundreds of others. Move now, secure clients before the rush. DeepSeek V4 is positioned to compete with Claude and GPT on coding tasks. Internal benchmarks reportedly show it performing better on software engineering challenges. Now, these are internal numbers from DeepSeek, so take them with a grain of salt. Is it definitely better? We won't know until independent researchers test it. But even if it's just competitive with top models, that's significant. DeepSeek's previous models have been way cheaper to run than OpenAI and Anthropic's offerings. Lower API costs, lower compute requirements. Lower cost means better margins if you're offering services. You can potentially undercut traditional development agencies while making good money. A development agency might charge $15,000 for a project using expensive developer time. You might charge $8,000, use AI for most work, and still have healthy profit margins. Businesses don't care what tool you use. They care about quality and price. If you deliver comparable results faster and cheaper, you win. Simple as that. China is making a serious play to dominate AI development tools. DeepSeek is building an ecosystem to make coding more accessible and efficient. V4 is part of that strategy. It's not trying to be a general chatbot. It's trying to be the best tool for developers and software services. That focus means it'll keep getting better at tasks you need. Don't wait for V4. Start now. List 20 businesses in your area that might need coding help. Outdated websites, old software, growing companies with technical debt. Reach out, not to sell. Just understand their challenges. Ask about their tech stack, problems they're having, projects they've been putting off. By launch, you'll have a pipeline of potential clients who trust you. That's when you present your solution. Learn basics of common coding problems businesses face. You don't need to become a programmer. Understand what a database is, what an API does, front end versus back end. This helps you have credible client conversations. Set up your positioning. What's your specialty? What specific problem do you solve? Get clear before taking clients. Marketing becomes easier when you say, I help e-commerce companies migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify instead of I do AI coding stuff. The real opportunity isn't just offering one-off coding projects. It's building relationships with businesses and becoming their go-to tech person. Once you deliver good results on the first project, they come back for more. Maybe you start with a code audit, then they ask for optimization help, then they need a new feature built, then they want ongoing maintenance, database updates, security patches, performance improvements. Before you know it, you have a client paying you $2,000 to $5,000 monthly on retainer. That's how you build a real business. Not chasing individual projects, but becoming valuable to a handful of clients who keep coming back. And AI tools like DeepSeek V4 make this possible even without a traditional tech background. You're not competing with developers on technical skills. You're competing on understanding business problems and delivering solutions. That's a different game entirely. I'm not going to tell you DeepSeek V4 will make you rich overnight. That would be lying. What I will tell you is there's a legitimate opportunity here for people willing to put in the work, real work, not get-rich-quick nonsense. We're at a point where AI is making previously expensive services accessible. Coding used to require years of training, expensive computer science degrees, boot camps that cost $15,000. Now, with the right tools and business positioning, you can potentially deliver valuable coding services to businesses that need them. The question is whether you'll be one of the people who recognizes this early and takes action, or whether you'll wait until everyone's talking about it and the market is crowded. The window is right now. In 3 months, this opportunity will look completely different. 6 months, forget about it. You're watching this video right now. You're ahead of most people. You're getting this information before it hits mainstream. That's your advantage. Use it. Don't waste it by overthinking or waiting for the perfect moment. If you want to go deeper on building an actual AI-powered service business, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training. It's completely free. Inside, I walk through exact strategies I use to land high-value clients, tools I rely on every day, and how to position yourself as an expert even if you're just starting. I also give you access to a free 30-day trial of the software platform I use to run my entire agency. It's got capabilities that honestly blow my mind compared to what most people use. It integrates with AI tools in ways that can seriously level up your service offerings. The link is in the description, along with access to my free community of over 22,000 other people building AI and marketing businesses. People at every level, from complete beginners to folks doing multiple 6 figures yearly. The knowledge sharing alone is worth joining. Comment below. Are you going to wait and see what happens with DeepSeek V4, or are you going to start positioning yourself now? I read every comment, so let me hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.